Hi there, Raza here, CEO and founder of HashAI Agency, and today we are going to discover how AI-powered document processing will be your competitive edge. With this one, you can reduce document review costs by 30% and increase processing efficiency by 70% with AI-powered document processing solution from HashAI. Now, why this is important? The document crisis is very, nominal nowadays. Your team is drowning in documents, 40% time wasted, $50 per document, 67% hidden insights, and 90%, 95% are still manual, which is so much daunting, right? Introducing the document processing pipeline. Analyze in seconds, automate categorization, sort content by financial, legal, strategic, or technical relevance, instant risk detection. It immediately flags, what kind of potential risks is associated with documents, and it also identifies the opportunities associated with these documents. There's also executive summaries in the end of the appended sheet, which I will show you just shortly. So here's the kicker: the numbers don't lie. Industry research results says there is like 30% cost reduction with AI powered document analyzation. McKinsey has recently reported that businesses implementing AI document processing reduces operational cost by 20 to 30%. You can also get 40% efficiency gains with this pipeline, and also the most important is the revenue growth. Companies saw revenue grow by 10% or more after implementing AI automations. Isn't that fascinating? And it's also being said, by 2026, Gartner predicts 75% of businesses will use AI driven process automation. The question is whether you will be a leader or playing a catch up. Let's see it in action: how it works, how it analyzes, and everything. Let's start by going through the flow. I will show you what I mean. So there is, the whole end-to-end workflow here for the data pipeline starts from manual trigger, which will test the workflow. It will then search the files and folders, through the folder which I named strategic. It will loop over all the items and process each document in that basically drive. It will download the drive from the Google and then extract the word, of the text from the file, PDF, Word, and then to text. It will analyze the criteria from the Google Sheets, like what criteria I have set for it, which I will show you right here. This is all the criteria I've set for it. It will analyze, what the criteria is, what the description is. AI will do all the work for you. After that, it will then merge the data, combine all the data, and then it will aggregate the analysis criteria, prepare for the AI. Here, it will OpenAI chat model will go through structured output, analyze all the data coming from those files, those PDF files, doc files, or text files, whatever it is. It will then see what kind of prompt I have given to them, which will be here. We will see like I have given a, and it all provides what kind of document it is, what kind of document, is it, does it fulfill the criteria or not. That's the whole thing. After that, it will go through the basic LLM chain, analyze, it will auto fix the output parser, it will then do the structured output parser JSON schema, and then it will save that analysis results to the Google Sheets. At the end of the day, this is where it's going to be saving. So let's see in it in action. Let's start by executing our workflow. So this is all the files that are being saved inside the drive, and it will go through all the files loop by loop, doing the analysis, document by document, and then it will save here. So as you can see, it getting the analysis. Now it's analyzing all the data it got from those PDF files, and it will keep doing that until all the files are being done. Now it's appending to the sheet. Let's see what comes there. So the very first document that came in is the compliance audit report, which is legal document. It also tells you the type of the document it is. Then it will give you the executive summary, the audit report evaluates, and then it will give you key matrices like what kind of it is recommended or not, what year it is. It will also give you the potential risk associated with it or not, and then it will give you the opportunity, like Does it make sense to you? Do you have to go with it or not? Also gives you the risk level. Is it medium? Is it high? Is it low? All that kind of stuff. Does it require attention? It also gives you in true and false. And then the but like what kind of estimated value impact does it generate? It will briefly define everything and the next steps, like what next steps should be to take this doc particular information and to do where to go with it, how to deal with it, when to go with the clients with that document and all that stuff. So as you can see now, there is another document here which is technical. Same way it goes through everything, it establishes what kind of opportunity it gives, what kind of risk is identified with it, what kind of risk level it has, does it require attention or not, all that stuff. So let's see where it has went right now. I think it's now document number 4. And as you can see, this is also legal for the vendor agreement and so on and so forth. It will now finalize the final document, which will be 5th document on the drive. And as you can see, the 5th document was regarding the financial report, like what is it about, what the net sales is, does it require attention or not, does it require risk level or not, what kind of risk level it is associated with it, what kind of attention it requires, estimated value, what kind of value it has on the the project or over or on your company. So that is it, guys. This is how I did it within just a couple of, I guess, minutes. This is the ROI. I think is clear now. Real business impact is there. Like for a team of processing just 10 documents weekly, manual process takes around about 30 hours per week. With the AI automation, you can take up to 20 minutes per week. It's like $1,500 per week in labor. With AI automation, it's just 94% time reduction. $78,000 a year cost with manual process, and with AI automation it scales instantly. And there is 20 to 30% error rate with manual process, but with AI automation, especially with ours, it's going to be 99.7% accuracy, and I can guarantee with that. So what's next? Your competitive advantage. 70% faster decisions make critical business decisions while competitors are still reviewing documents. Superior risk management, catch risks competitors miss with AI powered analysis that never gets tired. First mover opportunity. Identify the market opportunities while others are buried in paperwork. 12 to 8 months of lead. Business that adopt now will establish a significant advantage over laggards. So here's a limited time offer. Free 30-day pilot program, complete document processing pipeline setup for your business, process up to 100 documents at no cost, detailed ROI analysis for your specific use case, 100% satisfaction guarantee, see 50% efficiency gains, or get a full refund. That's it. It is only limited to just first 10 businesses, and today you can claim with the link below. So, transfer your document processing today. Don't let your competitors get there first. The document processing pipeline isn't just a tool, it's your competitive edge in an AI driven world. Contact HashAI Agency to secure your free 30-day pilot and experience the power of AI driven document processing. Claim your free 30-day pilot right now. So that's it. Thank you so much for listening me out. Looking forward to working with you.